Oh, hey there. Zoey and Chloe here. Guess what we're doing today? Can you guess? We are doing some color changing putty. Yay! Let's get started. I'm so excited. Me too. Let's unbox. What's in that box? Well, there is glitter. There is different kinds of powders and putties and more powders and more different types of glitter. There's star glitter.
I want to use the star glitter of mine.
Wow.
I think the powders change the colors of the putty.
Maybe, we'll see. Huh. Shall we find out? Oh! You're so rough. Hurry, 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 hurry! Okay, this is not happening. This is not happening. Do. Ouch! Do.
Eventually.
Wow! Let's take all this putty out. I know. Anyways, don't be like her. What's wrong? Nothing. Love you. Look at all this glitter. Look. Wow. These are pretty. Look at these stars. These big pieces of glitter.
And these small pieces of glitter.
And then you've got a lot of powder.
We have purple powder,
Yellow powder.
blue powder,
Then there's pink powder.
white sparkles,
And actual white powder.
and gold sparkles.
Purple speckles.
Wow!
Silver star sparkles. And finally, blue sparkles. Alright, let's see what's in here. Oh, we have wrapped up putty.
Wow, look at this putty.
I know.
Wow. What is this?
I'm not sure.
Chloe,
Yeah?
can you read us the instructions, please?
Sure. It says, select which tin of putty and mica powder you would like to start with.
Well, I picked this putty, and I want to play with.
Too late. I picked this one.
I wanted the blue, but okay, fine. I'll use some purple. Now what do we do next?
Now, we remove the putty from the tin, which we already did, and start to pull and stretch until it's flat.
I'm good at this. Wow.
Well, this is interesting.
Wow.
Until it's flat. Next, you carefully pour some of your mica powder on top of the putty.
Oh. Should we do it inside the containers?
I think so.
Okay.
time to open the powder. Ooh.
Did you put too much in?
It says carefully do it, but I don't really know what carefully means. Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Uh-oh!
And then do we mix it?
Yes, using your hands, fold, twist, and pull the putty to blend the mica powder in.
Okay, let's try.
Is yours changing colors yet?
No, this one is a color changing one.
Oh, not these ones?
No.
Oh. It says that when playing with your color changing putty, hold the putty between your hands for 5 minutes to see the putty change color.
Oh, I'm ready to move on to the next color. Are you?
I am too.
We forgot the sparkles.
Oh no!
I want to try this star one here.
I'll try the purple one.
On to our next putty.
I want to do the purple one. Look at my hands.
Your hands are so dirty, Chloe. What happened to you? My hands are fine.
I have the blue mica powder on my hands. Does this one change colors then?
I think it should, but you're getting all the blue onto the color changing putty.
Is it changing colors yet?
I don't know.
It says that it's supposed to change colors with the warmth of our hands.
Well, let's see. Chloe, the box shows that it's supposed to do this. Is it?
Wow! It did! That is so cool! That changed into blue putty. Wow! Let's see. I want to add some gold sprinkles. So does that mean that if I put this back into here, that it'll become cold and change back?
Let's see what happens.
Let's see what happens. a lot of glitter. Can I do the last one?
Sure.
Thank you. What color would you like to see in this one?
We haven't used white or pink. Should we try both?
That's a great idea.
I'm not so sure about this, Chloe.
I don't really like this. I only like the color changing one though.
That one's cool.
I know. I was hoping they'd give us more of these ones.
I agree. I think it's safe to say that this is not Zoey and Chloe approved.
No, this wasn't worth our fun.
On to the next slime! Catch us in our next video. We'll see you guys next time. Bye! Let's see what happens when you mix it together. Wow, it turned into a blue sea of glitter. Hi kids, if you want to follow us on some fun, big, exciting adventures,
Make sure to subscribe down below.